Yeah, man, the pedestrian this. I want to feel all of the traffic of them too. All motorists. This is Boundbrook School right here, so seeing? I want to know this. Coming in from that side there, coming into Port Antonio town, the biggest building in town, Bayshore Plaza, there is a pedestrian stop right here, so all motorists stop! Red light. Mad, remember that. Pedestrian for the schoolers them, you see it? Take you into Comfrey. Yeah, man, and see the whole line of Portland here in the boss. That's a good idea, I don't know. Yeah. I don't know if the hurricane man in the place look good at it. See, I know, watch out. Bayshore Plaza place active. You know, see it? Nice. I don't know. Fully active in a Port Antonio in the morning here. See, Knoxford, what? Them a get ready. Everything live, man. Port Antonio, Jamaica to the world. Veteran TV. Maddie.